Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is log into Canvas. When you log into Canvas, you want to click in the right-hand corner, Start a New Course, and then course name, you can call it whatever your grade level is. So let's just say third grade, and then you might want to label it TCM, or you can type out Teacher Created Materials, whatever you'd like to call it. And then you can put public domain. You don't have to do private. Either one can be fine really there. Make course publicly visible. We can click on that and then click Create Course. So what you've done right now is basically created an empty course. So you can see how it says Create New Module, Add Existing Content. Well, we're going to get that content from the Commons. So on the left-hand side, you're going to click on Commons. And this is where you can access the Teacher Created Material. So if you just type in TCM, you're going to see all those courses start to pop up. So you want to make sure that you find the third grade course, and also make sure that it is the English course, unless you have students that need the Spanish course, but I think you'll just need the third grade English course. So that's the course right here, so you can click on that. And then you're going to click on Import Download over here on the right-hand side. So now you're going to click on the course that you've created. You can see I've already created that for my third grade team. So you'll click on that, and you're going to click Import into Course. And then it says at the top, that green banner, you've successfully started the import. It may take a little while to see changes in your course. So you'll have to wait just a little bit because it is quite a bit of content that will be added in. So if you click back over on your courses after you've let that download, then you'll click on third grade TCM, and then you'll be able to see all of that content from Teacher Created Materials, and you can click on each part of the module, and there's the MP3. You can click on the next, and you'll see PDFs that you can access, and you just keep going, and you can see everything. So all of the books that are available in the kit are actually available here too. So I hope this is really helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions. Each teacher does need to download this so that you can access it. There's not really a way to share it as far as I know, but you could get with your technology designer and see if they have any ideas on how to share. So I hope this is helpful.